Toyota is developing a new engine that it claims will completely change the game in the automobile industry as the world races toward electric vehicles. Toyota has made a surprising announcement that might shift the industry's direction entirely. Their new hybrid engine could be a game changer, suggesting that electric vehicles may not be the final destination after all. What if an entirely new kind of engine is about to turn the auto world on its head? For years, Toyota has been quietly working behind the scenes perfecting something while others rush toward batteries and charging infrastructure. Now the company is ready to unveil what could be its most significant breakthrough yet. So what exactly is this innovation and why does it matter so much? Toyota's CEO recently made a bold claim that sent shockwaves through the automotive world. He announced that the company's new engine could completely disrupt the EV market. But before diving into the potential of this new engine, it's important to understand the legacy that brought Toyota to this pivotal moment. Toyota's rise to the top is a story of innovation, persistence, and strategic long-term thinking. The company was officially founded in 1937 by Kiichiro Toyota, but its roots trace back even further. Kiichiro's father, Sakichi Toyota, was a brilliant inventor who revolutionized the textile industry with the invention of the world's first automatic loom in 1924. This invention not only improved efficiency, but also embodied the principle of jidoka, the idea that machines should stop automatically when a problem occurs. This philosophy would later become a cornerstone of Toyota's manufacturing process. The transition from textiles to automobiles was driven by Kiichiro's vision and funded by selling the loom patent to a British company in 1929. Seeing the potential in the automotive industry, Kiichiro established an automotive division within his father's company, which led to the production of Toyota's first passenger car, the Model AA, in 1936. This marked the birth of the Toyota Motor Company in 1937. Resilience and innovation. Post-war. After World War II, Japan's economy was in ruins, and Toyota, like many companies, faced significant challenges. But instead of folding, the company leaned into innovation. Under the leadership of Taiichi Ohno and Eiji Toyota, Toyota pioneered the Toyota Production System, TPS. This revolutionary method emphasized just-in-time production and jidoka. The concept was simple but powerful. Make exactly what's needed when it's needed in the right quantity. This minimized waste and maximized efficiency. TPS also introduced the principle of Kaizen, or continuous improvement. Every employee was encouraged to participate in refining processes and eliminating inefficiencies. This culture of relentless enhancement became deeply ingrained in Toyota's DNA, leading to remarkable improvements in both quality and productivity. Key models that shaped Toyota's global success. Toyota's dedication to innovation was reflected in the models it produced. The Toyota Crown, launched in 1955, was the company's first mass-produced passenger vehicle and helped establish its reputation in the automotive world. In 1966, the introduction of the Toyota Corolla changed everything. Designed to serve a wide variety of consumers, the Corolla became known for its affordability, reliability, and low maintenance. It quickly became one of the best-selling cars in the world, symbolizing Toyota's global commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. By the 1980s, Toyota had firmly established itself as a global automotive leader. The company's relentless focus on quality, efficiency, and innovation resonated with customers worldwide. The principles of the Toyota Production System not only enhanced manufacturing, but also shaped a corporate culture that prioritized excellence at every level. The evolution of Toyota's engines. One of the most defining elements of Toyota's success has been its engine development. From the beginning, Toyota has consistently advanced engine technology to meet changing consumer demands and engineering challenges. In the 1930s, Toyota began its automotive journey with a Type A engine, a 3.4L inline-six that powered the Model AA sedan, the company's first passenger car. This engine laid the groundwork for Toyota's future innovations. In the 1950s, Toyota introduced the R-Series engines, including the 2.0 L3R and the 1.5 L2R. These engines were praised for their simplicity and durability and became the foundation for iconic models like the Toyota Crown and Land Cruiser. The R-Series remained in production for decades, evolving with various updates while maintaining Toyota's hallmark reliability. Toyota's commitment to producing reliable diesel engines is further exemplified by the 1HDT and 1KD-FTV engines, both of which were integral to the Land Cruiser's reputation for durability and off-road prowess. The 1HDT, introduced in the 1990s, was a 4.2L turbocharged inline-six diesel engine known for its robustness and torque. It became a popular choice for the Land Cruiser 80 series, providing the necessary power and reliability for both on-road and off-road adventures. The 1KD FTV, a 3.0L turbocharged inline-four diesel engine, succeeded the 1HDT in the 2000s. Equipped with Toyota's D4D common rail direct injection system, it offered improved fuel efficiency and performance. This engine powered models like the Land Cruiser Prado and Hilux, continuing Toyota's legacy of dependable diesel powertrains. Toyota's hybrid revolution, the Prius. The most significant leap in Toyota's engine technology came with the introduction of the Prius in 1997. This wasn't just another car, it was the world's first mass-produced gasoline-electric hybrid vehicle. The Prius combined a 1.5-liter gasoline engine, 1NZ-FXE, with an electric motor and a nickel-metal hydride battery pack. This innovative hybrid synergy drive, HSD system, allowed the car to switch seamlessly between gasoline power, electric power, or a combination of both. The gasoline engine utilized the Atkinson cycle, which sacrificed some peak power for dramatically improved thermal efficiency. The result was unprecedented fuel economy and significantly lower emissions. The Prius became a symbol of eco-friendly technology, proving hybrids were viable and desirable. Its success cemented Toyota's position as a leader in sustainable mobility and demonstrated the company's commitment to pushing the boundaries of conventional engine design. Building on the Prius's success, Toyota expanded its hybrid technology across its lineup. The hybrid synergy drive system evolved, becoming more powerful, efficient, and compact. Key advancements included more powerful electric motors, higher voltage battery systems moving from 274V to 650V, and sophisticated power control units. Engines specifically designed for hybrid applications, like the highly efficient 1.8-liter 2ZR-FXE and 2.5-liter A25AFXS, further optimized the system. These engines featured even higher compression ratios, advanced Atkinson cycle operation, and exhaust heat recovery systems to maximize efficiency. Toyota also pioneered plug-in hybrid electric vehicles, PHEVs, with models like the Prius plug-in, offering extended electric-only driving range. This continuous refinement proved Toyota's dedication to making hybrid technology accessible and effective for millions of drivers worldwide. Toyota's pursuit of alternative powertrains extended beyond hybrids into hydrogen fuel cell technology. In 2014, Toyota launched the Mirai, one of the world's first mass-market fuel cell electric vehicles, FCEVs. The Mirai's powertrain replaced the gasoline engine with a fuel cell stack that generated electricity through a chemical reaction between hydrogen and oxygen, emitting only water vapor. This electricity powered an electric motor driving the wheels. While hydrogen infrastructure posed significant challenges, the Mirai represented Toyota's belief in a diversified approach to reducing emissions, exploring solutions beyond battery electric vehicles, BEVs. It showcased the company's willingness to invest heavily in long-term, potentially revolutionary technologies. This brings us back to Toyota's current bombshell announcement. After decades of pioneering hybrids, refining internal combustion engines, ICEs, and exploring hydrogen, Toyota claims its latest engine development could disrupt the entire trajectory towards battery electric vehicles. While specific technical details remain closely guarded, reports suggest it is a highly efficient, compact internal combustion engine specifically designed for integration into next-generation hybrid systems. Early rumors indicate it might run on hydrogen, synthetic fuels, e-fuels, or biofuels, potentially offering near-zero CO2 emissions while leveraging existing fueling infrastructure and manufacturing expertise. Toyota asserts this engine, paired with advanced electric motors and batteries and new hybrid architectures, could deliver the environmental benefits of BEVs without their drawbacks, such as resource-intensive battery production, charging time concerns, and grid strain. If successful, this innovation could redefine the role of the internal combustion engine in a carbon-constrained world, positioning hybrids not as a bridge technology, but as a compelling long-term solution. Toyota's history of relentless innovation and mastery of engine and hybrid systems lends significant weight to this bold claim, making the automotive industry and consumers alike eagerly await its official unveiling. As environmental concerns and fuel economy became increasingly important, Toyota shifted its focus towards developing engines that offered both performance and efficiency. This transition led to the introduction of technologies such as VVT-i and the D4S fuel injection system. Introduced in the late 1990s, VVTi, variable valve timing with intelligence technology, allowed for continuous adjustment of camshaft timing, optimizing engine performance across various RPM ranges. This system improved fuel efficiency, reduced emissions, and enhanced power output. Engines equipped with VVTi, such as the 1ZZFE and 2ZGE, benefited from better throttle response and overall performance. The D4S system, introduced in the mid-2000s, combined direct and port fuel injection to optimize combustion. This dual injection system allowed for precise control of the air-fuel mixture, resulting in improved power delivery, fuel efficiency, and reduced emissions. Engines like the 2GRFE V6 utilize D4S technology to achieve a balance between performance and environmental responsibility.